Bon appetit! Hi, sweeties and my food lovers. Welcome back to my kitchen, Cook with Grace Kiswe. In today's video, I bring to you something super exciting, a sweet, spicy, and colorful combo that will make your taste bubble dance. We are making spicy chicken and plantain skewer. Juicy chicken breast marinated with rich spices, paired with golden plantains, and grilled or fried to perfection. Trust me, sweetie, this recipe is packed with a lot of flavor, colors, and that perfect of sweet and spicy you will absolutely love. So, sweetie, let's dive into making this food. Okay, sweetie. And please don't forget to tell me where you're watching me from so that I will send you a big hug, sweetie. And once again, don't always forget this that cleanliness is next to godliness. And if you like this video, don't hesitate to give us a like, subscribe if you've not done that, turn up the notifying button so that you get notified whenever I post a new recipe. Okay, sweeties? So, sweetie, all you need to know about this particular recipe, I wrote them down in the description box, step by step, the measurements and the guidelines on how I prepared this or how I was able to achieve this recipe. They are all in the description box. So, feel free to go through them and let me know what you think about this dish. And one thing I love about this dish is something you will share with friends, party, family get together. It's something you can do, yeah. So let me know what you think about this food. And will you be trying? Let me know that in the comment section below. Okay, sweetie. And that it is, sweetie. Just look at the beautiful spicy chicken and plantain skewer. Juicy, colorful, and so satisfying. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you will don't miss any of these my delicious creations. Okay, sweetie? Share with your friends and family because good food is meant to be shared. Yeah. See you all in my next video, sweetie. Stay blessed and keep cooking with love. I love you all and bye bye.